The mayors of Mobile County met today in the office of Mobile Mayor Sandy Stimpson.
Now, it's a move that Stimpson's office says hasn't been done before, and one the mayors with whom we spoke say is really needed. Fox 10 News reporter Chastity Bird reports.
Mayors from across Mobile County, all at one table, all coming together to improve our area.
It's by communicating with one another that we understand one another's problems. It may be that we can collaborate on the crime issue, as you mentioned. It may be on economic development.
Mayor Sandy Stimpson started the initiative. He briefed the mayors of the other cities on what's going on with Airbus, then let the others express what's going on in their communities. Dauphin Island Mayor Jeff Collier spoke about the island being a great destination location and what it can contribute to the county.
When you look at it as a whole, when you look at Mobile County as a whole, and even beyond those borders, neither communities can offer everything to everyone, and so, but together we make a real good package.
Pritchard Mayor Troy Ephraim talked about citizen complaints from road conditions to blight to crime.
Crime is a transient thing. It covers all areas, it crosses over, and it sort of fuses itself in all areas. And we all realize that the challenge of it is to try and prevent it and then hopefully reduce it.
Ephraim says he has told his staff to reach out to the staff of Stimpson and other surrounding cities. One of those being Saraland, whose mayor talked about jobs.
More regional view. We want to bring in more jobs, more opportunities, more growth, and working together is a good way to accomplish that goal.
Mayor Stimpson isn't just doing this at the county level. He's calling for these meetings statewide.
We kind of compare it to the mayors getting together of Tuscaloosa, Huntsville, Montgomery, Birmingham, and Mobile sometime in January, so that we too can have the relationships and the collaboration that's needed to help improve our cities.
Stimpson says he hopes to make this a regular thing, meeting once or twice a quarter. Reporting from Mobile, Chastity Bird, Fox 10 News.
Mayors from Bayou Battery, Sims, and Mount Vernon were also at today's meeting.